So why buy a dehumidifier? Well, funny enough, it's one of those things that I do need one in my house. I live in a 1960s house, and basically I'll describe exactly what it's like. It's like living in a polystyrene box. So if I'm creating condensation in the house, it goes on the windows and everywhere. And if it's not on the windows, it's in the air. When Mrs. Crazy Baker or me, we're doing the washing, when we're actually hanging them up, you tend to need to dry them. If you've got your central heating on, they don't tend to dry it, it makes it damp. So dehumidifier helps to dry your clothing. In the long run, it saves you money, because when you turn on a tumble dryer, it just burns electric. In fact, the meters today will just whiz around, or the digits will just fly past when you've got a tumble dryer on. And especially one like this, modern ones today are most economical, and they should run very, very quietly. I've heard that all before. But remember, in modern houses, you most likely don't need this because you've got a heat exchange upstairs in your loft space. And basically that's circulating the air around your property, doing the job of the dehumidifier. Now, if you want to get one of these, you can. Now, I use one of these all the time in my garage with my cars. That sort of stops the deterioration on cars, so you can actually use them in the garage. This one's not suitable for the garage, it's too small. This is suitable for a 3-bedroomed house or 4-bedroomed house. The makers claim that this will take out around about 3 litres of water a day out your property. It all depends on your house. On this particular one, have a clothing dial, so you can actually put it onto clothing. So when you're hanging your washing up in your bedroom, if you've got like an area or a utility room where you're hanging stuff, you can actually press the button and that actually operates the dehumidifier to work, helping your clothes to dry. And we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters!